side that surely promises goal through with Betis, but still extended their lead at the top of that. Yamine Yamal. No free kick, says the referee. Yamine Yamal looking to combine with Lewandowski.
But it wasn't a foul. You can see it there, it's just...
Yamine Yamal cuts inside, pushed away by...
His will chops inside onto his left foot. Sabini, you cannot let this kid with the ball chop inside onto his left foot. Show him onto his right, away from the goal.
Ben Sabini has come out to meet him. Oh, lovely play by Yamine Yamal.
This is nice skill. Gets a little bit of fortune, but look at Lewandowski there. Why doesn't he just roll it on a plate for the big number 9?
Pedri. Rafinha with the chance to chest it away, but only to Yamine Yamal, who... problem, Ben Sabini, you wouldn't want to be not... Fermin Lopez. Ben Sabini couldn't get it off Yamine Yamal. Anton.
Lated their way to where they are, winning the Super Cup with ease. Yeah, he's flying, isn't he, Rafinha? Comes on, machine.
Header by Yamine Yamal.
For left turn, right there. Confidence with the ball is exceptional. And that's definitely a trademark that they've always had. But then they promptly give it right back to Barcelona. Sloppy by Girassi.
Just too much. They reach the Champions League, but they're going to have to keep the ball much better. Dortmund is just going to invite pressure.
Well, you can do that in Europe, looks like.
In this season's competition, that he's too shy of that record. Yamine Yamal will latch onto this. Rafinha's arriving in the box.
Lovely player. I mean, he was the child superstar, wasn't he? And then
Yamine Yamal. Will he look to try and pick out Rafinha? He did, and he found him, but he couldn't. Yamine Yamal. Yamine Yamal. Yamine Yamal. Rubasi. Yamine Yamal. Danger here. Yamine Yamal. Rafinha. Fermin Lopez.
they got one that felt him over his head.
David Beckham for Real Madrid back in 2006. With Gittins and Chukwuemeka starting tonight for Dortmund. Pedri now for Barcelona. Yamine Yamal. Koundé points where he wants it. Yamine Yamal with the ball in there. Rafinha! And Lewandowski! It's a second! Right at the start. Robert Lewandowski with the goal. That's 20.
Yeah, and if you go back far enough, as you said, Borussia Dortmund cannot let this get away from them. They've been well on top, PSG. Aston Villa need to stay in the tie now. Backs against the wall.
Barcelona. Barca looking to press home their advantage. Bit of a waste that. Yamine Yamal up against Ben Sabini. The space down the left.
I mean, how much confidence has this kid got? And they do look
to take it away from him. Good defending that. Resilience in this competition. Going to need that now. Yamine Yamal. Done by De Jong. He's full of confidence, isn't he? Pedri. Yamine Yamal. And looking to get it in style. Frenkie de Jong.
crowd singing his name.
To think he could win the Champions League less than a year after he retired. And Dortmund at times are struggling to live with them.
Yeah, but it's their own fault. It's actually quite amateurish, really.
Yamine Yamal twisting Ben Sabini inside and out, and they'll do it at pace. Fermin Lopez, who's gone for the return, and Rafinha's in the middle, and Lewandowski!
indicated the wrong part of the pitch. Giving the ball away again.
Salona, Rafinha with the pass. And it's another one. This time, Yamine Yamal. All three of the front three.
Rafinha, Lewandowski, a number of goals.
19 goal involvements for him in the...
Yamal goal, impish finish.